Hey, how's it going? Chris here with ACN. I'm back at Six Flags Magic Mountain. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Behind me, they have the solar panels going up in the parking lot. Let's go over and check that out. This parking lot is going to look so different when all this is done, and like I was saying, this asphalt needs a replacement. It is so bad. Look at all these potholes. It's also going to take away some photo opportunities. Like right now we have this really big open parking lot where you can see all the coasters. And when they put up those structures there, a lot of this is going to get blocked, unfortunately. When I was here last week, it was just the vertical supports. And in that time period, they've gotten the roof together there, which is pretty impressive because we've had a lot of rain. It's been raining for the majority of the week. But they are moving fast here. Got rebar and boxes of supplies over there. Pretty cool. And speaking of cool, it'll be cooler in your car when you come back. I love it. Oh, this is really neat. Wow. Just gonna walk around here, get a full view of it. Love the snow on the mountains back there. We had some crazy storms. So there, now you can't even see Scream, or barely. Maybe it'll make Scream feel less like a parking lot coaster with this up. But yeah, here we are. Anywho, gonna head into the park now. Okay, let's see if they've done any more to the Golden Bear. Oh my God, that entire facade is gone. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. Again, like I was saying, we had rain for the majority of the week. Today being Friday, first day the park has been open since last week Saturday because of all the rain. Jeez. That is absolutely insane. So now we're looking at the back side of the main stage. Everything that was in front of that was a facade. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Let me try to get a peek in over here. Oh my. They really made quick work of this. Of course, there's still a lot more to do. But yeah. Unfortunately, I missed all this. I wanted to see some of it. Probably we'll get to see this other piece here torn into. And well, can't see much this way. I got all the dumpsters in the way. Back up here. Well, all right. This is a pretty cool perspective. Since they have the side of the stage ripped open, you can look right into it, and it looks like there's a curtain hanging there. At first I thought it was some plastic for construction for dust purposes, but it actually might be a curtain. Anyway, there's that. Going away soon. So right after I got to the Golden Bear Theater, they stopped for lunch. That was at 11. It is 12:30 now, so I'm sure they're back from lunch. In the meantime, went on Full Throttle, Goliath, Batman, Wonder Woman was closed, and then went on Twisted Colossus, and then finally Scream. Anyway, let's go see how things look over at the Golden Bear Theater. Oh man, they got a lot done. It would have only been a half hour of work since they returned from lunch, and all the metal is ripped off there. Dang. And they're looks like they're just throwing it in the dumpster now. It's incredible how fast they can get everything done here. Oh my gosh. Can't see too much from here, but yeah. Ah, there we go. Just a pile. Yeah, there's like a little bobcat over this way. I just saw dumping stuff in the dumpster. Gonna hang out here for a bit, see if I can see more getting ripped down. Again, yeah, can't really see too much. Let's see if I have any luck over here. I think I might. This is a pretty good angle over here. Yeah. There they are. Oh, going on the inside. Guess they got some material to dispose of over here. What a mess. Oh, excavator's at it again. Let's get back over here. Got the water spraying to keep down the dust. Oh, look at that! Oh man. Okay, it looks like he's gonna dig into it again. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Oh man, that's awesome. Just tears into it like it's absolutely nothing. So yeah, most definitely looks like they're just gonna rip all the metal walls off this, and then they're gonna leave the rest of it for another time. Getting a nice tight shot here, and you can see all those old Parkan lights hanging up there along with the curtain. Breaking news! Well, probably not breaking by the time you see this, but we just had a 4.6 earthquake not too far from here. I didn't feel it, but all the coasters are closed right now for testing. I'm still over here at the Golden Bear, and earthquake didn't do anything to it, unfortunately. That would have been pretty cool just to see it just collapse with no workers touching it. All right, back to the Golden Bear. The sun's at a pretty bad angle over here, but just wanted to take a look at it. Pretty cool perspective with everything on the ground. And just like that, the entire side is ripped off. All right, well, thankfully the sun just went behind a cloud, so I can see from this angle much better now. Oh, that was loud. Nice. All right, let's just take a little peeky through here. Pretty cool view. Got a lot of stuff to clean up still. And this might be end of day. They usually end right around 2:30, 3 o'clock. And park closes at 6. I want to get on some rides, so here we go. All right, so after leaving the Golden Bear Theater, went on the rest of the 9 coasters here, got on 14 of the open coasters. The only ones the major ones that were closed were Ninja and Superman. Wow, what a day. I can't believe I did that like in one day. Almost everything was walk-on. The only long lines were Wonder Woman and X2 a little bit, just because they had one train on that. I'm heading back to the Golden Bear Theater right now, just gonna get a last look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, well, it looks like I didn't miss too much by leaving when I did. They probably wrapped up just shortly after. All right, guys, that's gonna do it from Six Flags Magic Mountain. I'll be back here next week. See you then. All right, bye.